Hi, friends! I'm Appy, your apple buddy. I'm not just tasty, I'm super healthy.
First benefit, I'm packed with vitamins and minerals. I help boost your immune system. Second benefit, I'm full of fiber. I keep your tummy happy and digestion strong.
Third benefit, I keep your heart strong and healthy. Fourth benefit, I help balance your blood sugar levels. Fifth benefit, I'm low in calories and help manage weight. Sixth benefit life, I make your skin glow and hair shine.
Seventh benefit time, I keep your brain sharp and active.
So remember, an apple a day keeps the doctor away.